So you shot your video using OBS Studio, and for some reason you don't know where it has gone to or where the OBS has stored your video after you clicked on stop recording. So the question is, where are my videos from OBS Studio? I can't get my videos that I have shot using OBS Studio. No problem, I've got you. If you can't get your videos from once you shot them from OBS Studio, it's very simple. Just open the OBS Studio like this. I'm on OBS Studio right now, and just come to File here. You see here written File at the top left corner. Just click on File, and just click on Show Recording. As simple as that, and voila, OBS take directly to where it has stored your videos. Now another way to do that is click on File, then go to Settings, and then go to Output, and you're seeing your path is here where OBS take all your studio. Now this is a short video just to show you where OBS stores your video once you finish shooting them. So if you have a problem in knowing where your videos have gone to, go to File, Show Video, like that, simple, or just go to File, Settings, and then Output. You got a link here to where your videos are stored. I hope I've solved the problem, and if I have, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and leave me a thank you if you got some value. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.